What is the financial exchange? The term financial exchange alludes to a few trades wherein portions of openly held organizations are traded. Such monetary exercises are led through proper trades and by means of over-the-counter (OTC) commercial centers that work under a characterized set of guidelines. Both financial exchange and stock trade are frequently utilized conversely. Brokers in the financial exchange trade shares on at least one of the stock trades that are important for the general securities exchange. Financial exchanges are settings where purchasers and dealers meet to trade value portions of public companies. Financial exchanges are parts of an unrestricted economy since they empower democratized admittance to financial backer exchanging and trade of capital. Financial exchanges make productive cost disclosure and effective managing. Indian Financial Exchange is directed by SEBI, Protections and Trade Leading Group of India. Piece of History of Indian Financial Exchanges and Development. Bombay Stock Trade was begun by Premchand Roychand in 1875. While BSE Restricted is currently inseparable from Dalal Road, it was not generally so. During the 1850s, 5 stock representatives assembled under a banyan tree before Mumbai Municipal Centre, where Horniman Circle is currently situated. 10 years after the fact, the dealers moved their area to one more verdant setting, this time under banyan trees at the intersection of Knowles Road and what was then called Esplanade Street, presently Mahatma Gandhi Street. With a fast expansion in the quantity of specialists, they needed to over move places. Finally, in 1874, the merchants found an extremely durable area, the one that they could call their own. The Merchants' Bunch turned into an authority association known as the Local Offer and Stock Representatives Relationship in 1875. Public stock trade was consolidated in the year 1992 to achieve straightforwardness in the Indian value markets. Rather than exchanging enrollments being restricted to a gathering of representatives, NSE guaranteed that any individual who was qualified, experienced, and met the base monetary prerequisites was permitted to trade. In this specific situation, NSE was somewhat revolutionary when it isolated proprietorship and the executives of the trade under SEBI's watch. Stock cost data that could before be gotten to simply by a small bunch of individuals could now be seen by a client in a far-off area, no sweat. The paper-based settlement was supplanted by electronic safe-based records, and settlement of exchanges was constantly finished on time. Quite possibly of the most basic change implied a vigorous gamble the executive's framework that was set up to guarantee that settlement certifications would safeguard financial backers against merchant defaults. NSE was set up by a gathering of driving Indian monetary establishments at the command of the Public Authority of India to carry straightforwardness to the Indian capital market. In light of the proposal spread out by the Pharwani panel, NSE was laid out with a broadened shareholding containing homegrown and worldwide financial backers. The key homegrown financial backers incorporate Extra Security Company, State Bank of India, IFCI Restricted, IDFC Restricted and Stock Holding Partnership of India Restricted. Key worldwide financial backers incorporate Gadgil FDI Restricted, GS Vital Ventures Restricted, Safe 2 SE Speculations Mauritius Restricted, Aranda Ventures, Mauritius, PTE Restricted, and PI Potential Open Doors Asset. The trade was consolidated in 1992 as a duty-paying organization and was perceived as a stock trade in 1993 under the Protections Agreements, Guideline, Act, 1956, when P.V. Narasimha Rao was the state head of India and Manmohan Singh was the money clergyman. NSE started activities in the Discount Obligation Market, WDM, section in June 1994. The capital market, values, fragment of the NSE started activities in November 1994, while tasks in the subsidiaries portion started in June 2000. NSE offers exchanging, clearing and repayment administrations in value subsidiary, obligation, where subordinates, and cash subsidiaries portions. It was the first trade in quite a while to present an electronic exchanging office, consequently associating the financial backer base of the whole country. NSE has 2,500 SATs and 3,000 rented lines spread over in excess of 2,000 urban communities across India. Market timings. NSE and BSE. Pre-open IST 9 a.m. to 9:15. Market starts for trading 9:15 a.m. Ending 3:30 p.m. Post-market 3:40 p.m. ends 4 p.m.